Welcome back to Nom on a Budget. In this video, I'm making Marry Me pasta, a simple, creamy dish that is packed with flavor and will not break the budget. As always, you'll find a full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions down in the description. Let's get started. To start, add some oil to the pot and set it to sauté mode on high. Next, you're going to want to add 2 chicken breasts to the pot. The thinner they're sliced, the better it will go. Add half a tablespoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, or you could add 4 cloves of regular garlic. Now it's time to cook. Sauté your chicken for a good 3 to 5 minutes here. Add 3 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Add about 7 ounces of your favorite dried pasta. Add half a tablespoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Give everything a good mix now and make sure that the pasta is below the liquid. Add the lid and make sure that it's sealed. Now we're going to pressure cook on high for 4 minutes. Once the 4 minutes of cooking is up, set the vent and do a quick release of the pressure. Add a half cup of Parmesan cheese. Add half a cup of half and half creamer. Finally, add 1.5 cups of spinach and 10 sun-dried tomatoes. Set your Instapot back to sauté mode on medium heat. This will let the sauce thicken by boiling off. If you want to speed up the process, you can also add some cornstarch to the mixture and mix it all in. When the sauce reaches your desired thickness, it's all ready to eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me for more recipes. Thanks for watching.